get into the yeah. Y'all, welcome back to Lindiorslife, where we do stuff. And today we're doing my hair, okay? I don't know, like randomly in December, I was like, I am getting back into my natural hair bag and just getting back into actually caring about my hair. So I took the braids out and we're doing hair stuff. So today's a FLEXI rod tutorial. Okay, I got the inspo from good old Kiki Palmer. I was like, girl, I love her hair. Then I found out that she does FLEXI rods on her short natural hair, and I was like, yeah, that's it. So this is my first FLEXI rod attempt. So as you can see, I'm using the Mousse Def foam. It is the honey one, which is cool. I don't know if I would like the regular one better, but I just bought the honey one because I think it has like a stronger hold. So yeah, this is one of the FLEXI rod sets, but let me show you how I'm doing. So I'm combing out my hair. I already blow dried my hair, but I'm going back and combing it out. And then I am braiding the base, which you don't have to, but I just wanted to keep it like nice and tight. So I braided the base, I put foam on the entire section, and then I rolled it. You'll see that. Foam. Oh, I dropped it a little bit. But yeah, I put foam on the section, try to smooth out the ends, and then I literally go in with the FLEXI rod and I roll until I can get the ends covered, and then I start twisting. Now, is this my favorite way to do it? No, because I tried a different way and I like it better, but this is my first attempt, and I actually really did like how it turned out. It was more fluffy and like Bantu knotty. If that's the vibe and the look you're looking for, then you'll definitely get it with this. But yeah, that's really what I did. I braided the base, got foam on it, smoothed out the ends, rolled the ends so they were smooth, and then I went in and twisted at the base, as you can see. And yeah, I just kept doing it around my head. My parts actually were a little large because I just don't have that much FLEXI rod, but I definitely would get some more if you want a smaller, tighter look for sure. But like I said, because I started on blow dried hair and I did this method of FLEXI rod, I definitely got like a fluffier look, which you saw at the beginning of this video. So if that's your vibe, this is definitely the way you should go, because it actually was so cute. I got so many compliments, like, yes, very cute, very cute. And yeah, I'm gonna just shut up now so y'all can watch the video.
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that, I'll never make you feel like that. Both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Telling you give, but you cannot take love.
Y'all, I got two sections that's what's gonna be, but my arms is
Looks, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know. Have it kissing you slow. Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a pro.
It's a party, yeah. And you know we gonna drink tonight and all, yeah, yeah. Why is that in my head? I don't know, it's that song in a million years. Okay, I need to get these parts to stop showing, specifically my middle part. So I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and try to rough up the parts. And try to shape it. I don't know. I want it to be round. This is kind of like Bantu knots. Like I probably could have did Bantu knots and got the exact same curl pattern. Ooh. But you know, we're trying stuff with our short hair. Okay, now I'm trying to do edges. Now edges are hard for me with this short haircut. It's hard for me to get them cute in my opinion, but I'm trying to do like light swoopy baby hairs as I take out every edge I've ever had. Okay, this is the look. I literally could be here like picking at it all day, but this is it. Hold on, wait. You see, my hands are always in my hair when I have my hair out, but yes, this is the final look, y'all. Like, get into that. Yeah, it's so cute. Look, this is the back. I feel like a little grandma. But yeah, this is the FLEXI rod set on my short natural hair. I think the only thing I would do differently is maybe I think, oh, I wouldn't have parted my hair down the middle because my hair already does that, so I probably would have did it like over to the side for those top sections, just so that middle part doesn't try to be defined. But I think I kind of got it out. I kind of got it away. So I think that's good. And maybe put on some of these back sections, I don't think I put enough mousse, but I definitely will be doing this again. I think it's cute. I tried this style because Keke Palmer said that this is how she'd be doing her natural hair, and I always love her natural hair. Like when she wears it, her little curly afro, I'm like, yeah, this is it. And you know, maybe I'll actually go to work like this. We'll see what it looks like in 3 days though, because I don't have to be in the office for another, actually in 2 days. But yeah. No, should I do that? Okay. The only thing I'd say is I feel like, I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, the comment section. Let me know how you feel about my cute little hairdo. Bye.